Hello team. So this is the vehicle rental platform. So you can easily log in or register, or you can choose any vehicle for rent. You can easily register yourself by adding some data, or you can easily log in here. So let me log in once, and then I will show you the user side as well. So just allow me a few seconds. Let me log in. So this is the user panel. Here you can check vehicles, balance, income, total withdrawal, latest rental status. You can check here. Here you can check like if you want to add vehicles or vehicle. So here you can check your rentals. So here you can check all the data. Ongoing rental, my rental history, reviews, payment history, withdrawal, support ticket. You can manage all the things here. Okay, here you can check like contact us, or here you can select a vehicle data. How it works: just choose a vehicle, pick location and date, make a booking, sit back and relax. So user can easily select vehicle and then they can easily do. Here you can check reviews and other content. You can change content if you want to change any content. Here you can check blog, contact and all. This is the panel where you can add your own vehicles for rent as well. Like here you can set up your own stores. Okay, here you can set up on vehicles like zone वगैरह zone like which zone we are using for that, like that. First you need to add a store, then you can set up your own vehicles. Here you can manage all the types of rentals. Now let me show you the admin panel. So this is the admin panel. Here you can check users, active users and all data like payment we have, rejected payment and all. Here you can set up your withdrawal. Vehicles we have, here you can manage monthly deposit and withdrawal requests and transaction report. After that we have a vehicle types. So here you can set up multiple vehicle types, which types of vehicle are running. So here you can set up a vehicle types. After that we have a classes. So here you can set up vehicle class. Zones, so here you can set up vehicle zones, like in which area you are working. So here you can set up your zone. Currently we had not set up any Google Map API, that's why it's not working. You just need to add your key, then it will be work for you. After that we have a brand. So here you can set up your brand. Store, so how much user has registered as a store, that data will come here. You can approve, that data will come in approved also. All vehicle data will come here. You can approve that, because user will register as a store, then they will add vehicle, then you can approve, then that vehicle will live. After that you can check all vehicle data, sorry, user data. Here you can check balance, login, notification. You can log in as user as well, notification and other details you can check. Okay, after that here you can check users type like ban user, email and verify, KYC and verify, with balance and all user and all. Here you can check all rentals. So all types of rental which is done, the data will come here. Here you can check pending, approve, ongoing and all. After that these are gateway which we are using. So we have many more gateways like InstaMojo we have, Molly we have, PayPal we have, Paystack we have, Paytm we have, Razorpay and Stripe we have. You can use anyone. You just need to add key, then it will be work for you. In a payments, here you can set up or what transaction had done, that transaction or that payment will come here. After that withdrawal data. So if user requests for any withdrawal, the data will come here. After that we have a support ticket. So if user face any issue, then they will raise any ticket, the data will come here. You can give answer of that. Here you can manage reports or subscriber data. Now let me show you some settings. So what is the rental charges? Google Map API. Here you can set up your own Google Map API. Here you can set currency symbol, how much images we can upload, social credentials we can set up here, system configuration we have, so user register or enable or disable you can do, 4-secret password is there, KYC verification is there, you can manage that. Login favicon you can set up, extension we have. After that you can set up your own language, means how much language you want to work. So here you can set up your languages. SEO manager we have. Here you can set up a form for KYC, like you need PAN card, so you can ask for PAN card. If you need anything else, then you can ask for like PAN card images. So here you just need require add name, and then here you can select the extension. So user, this is a mandatory field, or so user will fill that form. That after that he or she will approve that. After that, this is the vehicle store. So here you can add KYC form for vehicle as well. Notification settings. So we are using SMTP or PHP mail, SendGrid, MailJet for mail, or we are using Nexmo, Infobic, MessageBird, Twilio, and many more SMS API. After that, we have a notification templates we have, and here you can manage other templates, some section and sub pages. So these are some pages which is already live on our solution, or means on front end. So you can set up any content, what content you want to update, so it will be live on website. Okay, so if you have any query or doubts, you can connect with us, we will help you. Thank you.